This is Rainus and his visitor, Charlotte. Rainus lives in a residential home. Getting along with others is not always easy.
I'm sick of Shelley's moaning and groaning. Even the neighbours complain.
How long has this been going on, Rainus?
It's been going on 6 months. It's not Shelley's fault. She's not happy.
What are they doing about it?
We had a meeting with George. He gave us earplugs to put in our ears and go into our rooms and listen to music when it gets really bad. Why do I have to stay in my room? I like cooking and watching TV. It's not fair. It's all right for staff. They go home, but I'm here all the time.
Have you ever had to live with someone whose behaviour made it difficult to live happily together? Charlotte has a good idea.
You need some advocacy to sort it out.
How do I go about and find it? How find one? Good idea. I'll ring this number and get someone to help me.
You can do it, Rainus.
After Charlotte left, Rainus rang an advocate. And 3 days later, Maxine called to hear what Rainus had to say. The two other people here are Kevin and Stacey, who share the house.
Hi everybody, my name's Maxine and I'm an advocate, which means
Maxine explained that her job was to make sure that all concerns were heard, including Shelley's.
Gee, we need you. No one ever listens to us.
So what's the problem, Rainus, and how long's it been going on?
We're living here with Shelley and she's moaning all the time. Moaning and groaning. Goes on right through till the morning.
Yeah, and what do you think of it, Stacey?
Dumb.
Dumb? Okay. And what about you, Kevin? You like it? No. Okay.
Kevin's sister Pam doesn't like it. Kevin goes and stays with his sister Pam.
Is that right, Kevin? How about Rainus, you and I ring up George's boss Jenny and arrange a meeting for next week?
Yes, that'll be fine.
Good. Kevin, do you think your sister Pam would like to come to this? Okay. Rainus, we'll go and make that phone call, eh?
Yes.
If you need an advocate, how could you find one? 1 week later, they all got together to talk about what could be done.
Area manager, thank you for inviting me.
Hi everybody, I'm Pam. I'm Kevin's sister and I've come here today to support Kevin. I've found that coming to the house to visit him is absolutely intolerable. There's so much screaming and noise going on here. It's much easier if I take him to my home for visits, and there's something that needs to be done about it.
Stacey, what about you? What's it like for you here? You hate it here. And Kevin, do you like living here? No. You don't like it. George.
I've just been talking to Shelley's sister Ruth. Ruth is also concerned that Shelley is not happy here. Ruth couldn't come today and asked us to go ahead with the meeting anyway, but that Shelley not come here either. You all know how upset Shelley gets when she has to sit still for a long time.
Can you tell us what you've already tried to reduce the problem?
We gave the residents earplugs to block out the sound and so they could close themselves in their bedroom and not listen to Shelley's screaming.
How useful was that?
It didn't really work at all. I don't even know if they used these earplugs that we'd invested in, but we've also had Shelley checked by her doctors and they've changed the medication, but that doesn't seem to have helped Shelley either. We seem to have hit a brick wall. I mean, there's just not much else we can do. Shelley has to live somewhere. She has a right to a home as well as anyone else.
I can see it's really hard on all the other people here.
Maxine, the advocate, helped the managers see the problem. They accepted that something more needed to be done. They offered to look for a better solution and report back.
I'll certainly take what I've heard today back to the funders, but I can't promise anything.
Is that okay with you guys?
It took 3 months to find a new home for Shelley. She's a lot happier now. And so is everyone else. And Rainus is pleased that he told an advocate about the problem and got it sorted for all of them. If you need help to have your views heard, phone an advocate on 0800 555 050.
Tell someone when things go wrong. Tell someone, don't let it go on. We shouldn't be treated